In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to split or separate the SSID into 2.4 and 5 GHz for your D-Link DIR-X3000Z Wi-Fi 6 router. During setup, the router only has got one SSID, which is the default SSID, but it is beaconing two frequencies, 2.4 and 5 GHz. In order to split it into two SSIDs, one into a 2.4 SSID and one a 5 GHz SSID, you will need to log into the web management page for the router. So from our computer, key in the following IP address. This is the login page for your router. The username is admin, and the password can be found on a label that is located at the back of your router. For convenience, we will put the username and password over here. So key in the password and log in. This is the web management page. In order to split the SSID into 2.4 and 5 GHz, go to Wi-Fi settings. Under Wi-Fi settings, with the Smart Connect turned on, the 2.4 and 5 GHz share the same SSID and password. So you need to turn off the Smart Connect. And now you are able to change your SSID. Let's name the SSID TechTips 2.4. For the password, we'll use our own password. Let's save. Next, moving on to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi settings, we'll do the same, and we'll call it TechTips 5. For the password, we'll use a different password. Let's save. So next, we'll need to connect the computer to the new SSID and password. You can see the TechTips 2.4 and TechTips 5 GHz network. We'll connect it to the 5 GHz network. Enter the Wi-Fi password that you have just created. Go to Next. And you're connected. Let's try to play a YouTube clip to ensure that the network connection is successful. We'll play the Minium clip. So you're able to play the YouTube video. So this is how you separate or split the SSID into 2.4 and 5 GHz for your D-Link DIR-X3000Z Wi-Fi 6 router.